How to pin people on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to pin people on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open Snapchat and go to chat settings right here by clicking on this button or by swiping right like this one. So, if you want to pin a person or a message, their message will appear on top of the chat section always. So, there are actually two ways in doing that. The first one is by pressing and holding on this chat. For example, click on chat settings and click on pin conversation. So that is the first one and that is the shorter step. So for the second one, let's just unpin this first. So once you go to their chat, click on their profile or their name and then click on three dots found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on chat settings, click on pin conversation, and then as you go back, as you can see, your conversation has been pinned. So again, you may press and hold into this section right here, go to the profile and pin their conversation. So that's it. That's how you can pin people on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.